వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. విశాఖలో ఈపీ డీజీపీ గౌతమ్ సవాంగ్ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Have been laid down by the government of India, and from time to time to combat this COVID situation. And we are also very proud to say that the way Andhra Pradesh has contended with this challenge of COVID, it is regarded as one of the frontline states in its performance and engagement. Whether it is testing, whether it is its containment strategies, has been acknowledged to be on the foremost, topmost states in the country. So we are also proud to be saying that, and in that police, AP police also has a significant part and a role in as a part of the state strategy to contain the COVID. ఇప్పుడు చూసేటప్పుడు కూడా పోలీస్ శాఖలో టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ 466 policemen infected as on date, tested positive. అది కూడా ఎట్లా అంటే ఇందాక చెప్పినలాగా 3rd of May వరకు we had 45 cases, and on 3rd of May I announced that all the 45, we had one casualty, one martyr, one until then who had laid down his life in this COVID war. 3rd of June, I made a statement saying that 45, all the 44 out of the 45 has not only tested negative, but they have been discharged. But when the lockdown was lifted, within 1 week, we had 49 testing positive, and in the last 1 month, we had about 421 cases. అంటే ఫ్రంట్ లైన్లో గ్రౌండ్లో పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు దే ఆర్ contending with this virus at every stage. Every మూవ్మెంట్లో తగిలింది ఇది పోలీస్ వాళ్ళే, ఎదుర్కొంటున్నారు కూడా పోలీస్ వాళ్ళే. చెక్ పోస్ట్ నుంచి లేకపోతే రెగ్యులేషన్ నుంచి లేకపోతే ఎనీ మూవ్మెంట్ on the ground, it is the police which comes on the forefront, and in the process we had this kind of infections amongst the police. But I can also tell you that we are much better prepared than most of the states in as far as insulating our own staff, protecting our own staff right from the first week itself. From the first week itself, understanding the epidemiology of this virus, we made sure that those who are above the age of 55 in the police department to not to be deployed on the ground and be on the front line, but to be mostly doing administrative and back and rear end duties, not to get exposed to this virus. Similarly, we have identified all the staff members who had comorbidities, who had some health issues, health conditions. You are aware that by the very nature of policeman's duties, was always 24/7 on the roads, whether it is day, whether it is night, whether it is sun, whether it is rain, they have to be on the roads. Their timings are also not certain in terms of their food or rest. So by the professional occupational hazards, policemen's health conditions are generally, if you look at police as an entity, you find that there is more cases of comorbidities in the police, amongst the policemen. Hypertension gaani, BP gaani, sugar gaani, heart issues, lagapote even that COPD, ante lungs, because of the pollution, because of the kind of duties that they're performing. So we identified such ailments amongst our police staff. So alanti staff members ni kuda ee front line duties lo pettakunda వాళ్ళు we kept them little insulated from exposure, because these are the high risk categories amongst the policemen. Then we had many other measures to make sure that we protect ourselves, insulate ourselves, also develop the resistance and immunity within the policemen by giving them medicines, then some prophylactics as well, and then of course various other precautions. And this is not only for the policemen themselves, but policemen families kosam kuda. Ante oka policeman nilapadi road మీద నిలబడి సేవ చేయాలంటే ఆయన కూడా బ్యాకింగ్ ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ని కూడా మనం ఇన్సులేట్ చేయడము, అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురావడము వాళ్ళు కూడా, so that they take care of themselves as well as take care of the policemen. So we made those arrangements also right from the start, from the very first week itself. We were prepared when this whole virus outbreak was there across the globe from Wuhan, and ever since the first lot of students, medical students adugoda from Wuhan, third week of January they returned to India. మనం అప్పటి నుంచి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవడము, ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి స్టడీ చేయడము, తర్వాత ప్రికాషన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడము, తర్వాత ప్రికాషనరీ మెజర్స్ తీసుకోవడం. వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫారెన్ రిటర్నీస్ ఓ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మార్కాస్ రిటర్నీస్, ఆ కంటైన్మెంట్ స్ట్రాటజీ మనం చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చేసినాము, which all of you are witness to, and it's only after the lockdown was lifted, since